Imagine a land where each day dawns with promise, where the horizons stretch beyond your wildest dreams. This is a place where life's clock ticks to the rhythm of nature and the pulse of heritage. Welcome to the enchanting realms of Ecuador. Keep watching to unlock the treasures of adventure and tranquility in a land that defies the ordinary. Right here, right now, we begin. Hello and greetings, fellow explorers. Join me today as we dive into the heart of Ecuador, where every corner promises an extraordinary tale. From the colonial corners of Quito to the towering peaks of the Andes, every moment is an adventure waiting to unfold, just for you. In Quito, Ecuador's proud capital, history paints the streets with its rich palette. Marvel at architectural wonders like the Basilica del Voto Nacional, and ascend the city heights with the Teleférico, capturing the spirit of Quito with each panoramic gaze. This city's vibrant tapestry is knitted with cultural complexity, a must for those who seek the genuine heartbeat of Ecuador. For the intrepid at heart, Cotopaxi Volcano is your siren call. Not just one of the tallest, if not the most majestic, active volcanoes on Earth, but also an adventure playground. Here, hiking, mountain biking, and the natural world coalesce into an epic saga of Earth's fiery power. Whether you're chasing adrenaline or serenity, Cotopaxi's might offers a wide array of unforgettable escapades. Step into the heart of Ecuador's culture at the local marketplaces. Feel the pulse of tradition at Otavalo Market, a kaleidoscope of Ecuador's artisanal spirit. Here, every fabric, every carving, tells a tale of generations. Savor the local ceviche, a symphony of fresh flavors that dance on the palate, capturing the essence of Ecuador's coastal bounty in every bite. And then you have the Galapagos Islands, the jewel of evolutionary wonder. Step into a world where nature's mosaic is vibrant and teeming with life. These islands aren't just a destination, they're a living legacy of our planet's history. Embark on a journey through the Galapagos and let the spirit of discovery transform the way you see the world. But why stop there? The spirit of adventure thrives in the heart of Ecuador. Ride the rapids of Rio Napo, fly through the treetops in the cloud forests of Mindo, or conquer the Andean trails on a mountain bike. Here, every path leads to a new discovery, every experience an adrenaline-infused memory. For those drawn to the gentler rhythm of culture and respite, let the calm of Vilcabamba envelop you, or wander the storied streets of Cuenca. Venture into the whispers of the past at the Ingapirca ruins and listen to the stories etched in stone. Ecuador doesn't just offer sights to behold. It invites you to become part of a narrative that's been unfolding for centuries. Across the lush Amazon, down to the depths of historic roots, Ecuador presents a myriad of paths, each steeped in wonder. Whether you choose to embrace the adventures that beckon, indulge in the rich mosaic of flavors, or step into the flow of cultural history, every chapter you write in this land will be part of a story that lasts a lifetime. Has the spirit of Ecuador captured your imagination? Then don't just sit there, engage with us. Like, share, and subscribe for more travel odysseys. Comment below with the adventures you dream of in Ecuador, and who knows, our paths may cross in this extraordinary landscape. Until then, travel well and travel far.